In this video, we will go through the SKUASINPARENT function. The function lets you pull in the parent SKUs or the parent ASINs for any listing that has variations. Amazon actually assigns parent SKU and parent ASIN to such a listing. Let's go ahead and check out the syntax. So the first parameter is seller ID. Seller ID is required. The second parameter is SKU. You can use SKU or ASIN interchangeably. Then comes the direction. Direction is optional. You can either leave the parameter empty or type in SKU parent to get the parent SKU, and you will have to type in ASIN parent if you want to get the parent ASIN. Then comes the marketplace. Marketplace is optional. So let's start with the function. So seller ID, my seller ID is in D1. Then it's the SKU. We can use SKU or ASIN. Then comes the direction. So let's keep the direction and marketplace empty for now. So this is what I got. Any listing that does not have a parent SKU will say NA like this. Now let me use the ASIN for the SKU parameter and let me show you how it's going to work. The result is going to be the same. Now I'm using ASIN here and SKUs here. And so everything matches. Same goes for the parent ASIN. The only difference is that you will have to use ASIN parent in the direction parameter. Other than this, for people in Europe, they will need to use semicolon instead of comma, depending on their locale settings, like this. It is also recommended to use ranges wherever possible, like this. And in case the subscription ID does not save, use incognito mode of your browser to bypass Google cache issue. Thank you.